Well, it's been a while since I came down, and I didn't expect a whole lot to have happened, and it didn't. Looks like they might have the concrete poured because they've got it covered, which would make me think that they had concrete in there and they were trying to keep it at least hydrated and warm. Now, concrete generates its own heat while it's setting, but I'm not a concrete specialist, so you have to check on that yourself. Now, they've got a lot of re-rods stuck in there. Looks like the sluice is going to be a kind of a ski slope down with a kick at the end where it'll come off into the water. Now, looks like the water has slowed down a little bit. I don't know if it's because the ground froze and everything is kind of staying in place and it's not coming to the river or to the lakes. Always like how they take the stuff that's the most valuable and put it up on the crane. Or at least the easily portable stuff. But they're coming along. I imagine most of it won't get done until spring. Just because, you know, snow, ice, makes it hard to do anything. And there hasn't been any tracks in the snow other than a few people walking around. So I'm thinking it snowed Friday. They haven't done anything since, well, Friday was Christmas. Probably took the weekend off. One, two, three, 4 pieces of power equipment. 5 if you count the crane. So they've got a lot of equipment here, but I'm seeing maybe 4 or 5 people here at a time. But I'll let you know when something breaks or if something happens that's interesting. Right now it's just pretty much steady state. Well, I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you, and I'll see you on the flip side.